Hey guys, my name is Nirvana. My mom and I just got our new home and we have made a purchase from Galaxy Designs. We have purchased the elegant drapery packages and I can't wait to open it up and see it. The designs are very elegant and they offer a large selection of fabrics to choose from. They are also very well priced and they are very easy to install and don't require a professional installer. The packages have come with full installation instructions, and I have watched some of their videos. I'm planning to install them today and can't wait to show you how they look once they are done. So, let's see how I do. I just finished installing the drapes and oh my god, I've amazed myself. It was a lot easier than I thought and they look so gorgeous. My mom was completely surprised. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. It's so beautiful and it was really easy to install. I loved the hardware, the crystals, everything about it was perfect. They help you choose the colors that match your walls, your furniture, everything. They have their specific touch. I would highly recommend Galaxy Design for anyone that's looking to dress their windows.